The ultimate bird brain move. Destroy the perch you're sitting on.
Destroy the perch you're sitting on. It reminds me of those Wile E. Coyote type Looney Tunes where you're sitting on the branch of the tree and you're running the hacksaw on it.
On the wrong side.
On the wrong side. Except there is no wrong side for you, Cosmas. It's all the wrong side. And someday, you're going to bite the whole way through that perch. And then it's going to fall down. And you're going to be mad. And I'm going to say, I told you so, Birdie. Look at this. I had this up for like 4 days, and it's partially destroyed. And she wouldn't even sit on it for 2 days. Yeah, 2 days you would not even sit on this perch. And now, look at you. Look at you. Look what you're doing. Bitty Buddy wants nothing to do with it. Look at him, the voice of reason. Was it Wile E. Coyote who sawed the tree off on the branch?
I feel like that's a common trope in cartoons. I can't remember who did it.
See, Bitty Buddy plays with the toys because he's a sensible bird. He sees what toy is for chewing, and then he chews that. The little wicker balls. Good job. He puts his leg way up there. Then there's Cosmas, who will chew everything that she's not supposed to. Well, at least it's only wood, Em. We can always just go, I don't know, buy more for cheap or pick one up in the woods or something. We'll get episode 2 of this epic saga of the chewed perch whenever it collapses. Farewell for now.